Once upon a time, there was a youth named Seruting. Seruting was a prince who was also the son of a giant named Tenggang Princess. One day, Seruting married a village girl. The village girl has a younger brother named Arya Tebing. The girl used to live with her younger brother in a small hut. Ever since she got married to Seruting, she has lived with him in another village. Arya Tebing lived alone in his small hut. Arya Tebing and his sibling have a pretty large garden. Before his sibling moved away, the garden was divided into two, with a wooden trunk as the boundary. One on the left was for Arya Tebing, and another one on the right was for his siblings. Later, after the wooden trunk was put up, a huge rain came down. The rain lasts from morning until night. The next sunny day, something odd happened. It appears that mushroom grew on both sides on the wooden trunk. Arya Tebing's side grew a golden mushroom, while his sibling's side only grew an ordinary mushroom. Arya Tebing was surprised by this, yet he would always pick the mushroom every day since they have always been growing frequently. Arya Tebing can now build his own house and not live in a small hut anymore. One day, Seruting secretly sneaks up on Arya Tebing when he is going to the garden. Right when Arya Tebing was about to pick the mushroom, Seruting's sudden surprised him.
Hey Arya Tabing, it turns out that you have been cheating all of this time. Why did you change the direction of this wooden trunk?
What do you mean, brother?
You deliberately changed the position of this tree trunk. This golden mushroom should have grown in front of my garden, but instead it grows into your garden.
I would never change its direction. What makes you think that I would change the direction of these trunks? Besides, if you want the golden mushroom, you could ask me for some.
All of these gold should have been mine. You don't have the right to keep them. If you persist, then we will fight. The one who wins can keep them.
Arya was stunned. Hearing Seruting's challenge to fight, he stayed in silence to decide his answer.
Alright, I'll accept the challenge, but give me a week to prepare myself.
Fine then, I hope you could match me later.
Arya Tebing is thinking about how to defeat Seruting. He must have found a clever strategy because it was impossible to defeat Seruting, who was famous for being powerful.
Oof, how can I defeat Brother 17? I know what to do.
Finally, after days of thinking, Arya found a way to defeat Seruting. One day, he secretly meets his older sister.
What's wrong with you? Coming to see me is direct is Arya Tebing.
Arya Tebing then explains everything about the problem between him and Seruting.
So, what should I do?
Please do tell me what Brother Serunting witness is. Only in that way could I defeat him.
I am sorry, Arya Tebing, but I can betray my husband.
If I lose, surely Brother Serunting will kill me. But if I win, I promise that I won't kill him.
Okay, if you have a promise it not to kill him, then I will tell you. Shouting other brothers, quickness light in the grass, that is owl's way inventor is not blown in the wind, If you shoot him at the glass, his strength will disappear.
One day that is settled, the fight between Arya Tebing and Suruting finally started. Arya Tebing was still an amateur, unlike Suruting in combat. Arya Tebing was overwhelmed by the relentless attack from Suruting, but it is no use to be worried from Arya Tebing, since he already knows what Suruting's weak spot is. When it was getting too overwhelming, Arya Tebing quickly struck the wheat, and it suddenly made Suruting fall to the ground.
Hey Arya Tabing, how did you know about my weakness? Oh, I know. Your sister must have told you about it.
Now, please go away, Brother Surunting. I've promised not to kill you.
After his defeat, Suruting walked far away from his village and took a rest on a mountain. He sat on the ground under a tree, but suddenly Suruting heard a voice that was calling out to him.
Hey, young man, do you want to gain the power of the gods?
Who are you?
I am Eyang Mahameru.
What kind of power will you give me to me, Yang Mahameru?
You have to meditate on the grass until the leaves cover your body. Are you up to it?
Alright, Yang Mahameru, I can do it.
Suruting then quickly meditating under the tall grasses. 2 years have passed, and his body is now covered by the leaves.
It turns out that you're really able to handle this meditation. Therefore, it is appropriate for you to receive the power of gods.
What kind of power will I receive?
Now, whatever you say will become true.
After meditating and receiving power, Suruting walks back home to his hometown. On his way, Suruting tries out the power that he recently received.
Oh, grasses, turn into gold. Oh, dry river, turn into clean river.
After 2 years of meditation, Suruting became a better human. He is no longer greedy and is now helpful. When he arrived in his hometown, Suruting, who got nicknamed the Bitter Tongue, was no longer holding grudges against Arya Tebing. He apologized and promised to be a better brother for Arya Tebing.